How to fix the WhatsApp notification sound is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to fix the issue of WhatsApp notification sounds not working on the Android device, here are the steps to fix it. First of all, check for WhatsApp notification settings. Head over to WhatsApp and tap on three dots and go to settings. Scroll down a bit and go to notifications. After tapping on notification, you will see conversation tones and reminders. Make sure both of the options and buttons are toggled on. Once enabled, you can also scroll down to find notification tone and change it as per your wish. Now that is done, next up you'll have to check for the device notification settings. For this, you can head over to quick settings or go to the device settings. After that, scroll down to find notifications, and after you tap on notifications, tap on app settings. Once you go to app settings, search for WhatsApp and make sure that the notification is enabled. Make sure that do not disturb is turned off as this can silence the notifications. Another thing that you can do is unmute the specific chats in WhatsApp. For this, you'll have to go to the conversation where notification sounds are not working, then tap on the option of unmute, which is on the settings. So this is how you should be able to restore the notification sounds for all messages. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.